Hello everyone, let's dive into the NelkoGlobal D32 mini label maker. This compact device aims to simplify organization at home, in the office, or at school, and it does so with a user-friendly approach. The D32 distinguishes itself with its Bluetooth connectivity. Unlike older label makers that can be clunky and require a lot of setup, this one connects wirelessly to your smartphone. It works with both iOS and Android devices. The Printmaster app is available on both the Google Play Store and the App Store. The app is where you design your labels, offering a variety of templates to choose from. The label maker is designed for a variety of uses. Think about labeling jars in the kitchen, adding dates to food containers, or organizing cosmetics. At school, it's great for labeling personal items and notebooks. In the office, it can be used for file folders, supply cabinets, and more. The D32 uses thermal printing technology, which means no ink is required. This can save money and hassle in the long run. The print quality is clear and easy to read, suitable for most labeling needs. The device itself is small and portable. It's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about batteries. The white color gives it a clean and modern look. In terms of ease of use, the NelkoGlobal D32 shines. The three-step process, connect via Bluetooth, design your label in the app, and print, is straightforward. This makes it accessible to users of all ages and tech skill levels. Overall, the NelkoGlobal D32 mini label maker is a convenient and efficient tool for anyone looking to get organized. Its Bluetooth connectivity, ease of use, and wide range of applications make it a worthwhile investment for home, office, or school.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.